Do it again, do it again.
Oh! Here.
It's fixing to fall off. That just means you're spinning. Push him, push him.
Grab it, it's like no longer.
I know, she's gonna fall off.
That'll be okay. That's okay.
I think that's the funniest thing I've seen in a long time. I want to do it like that.
Jump off, Allie. We want to turn.
No, Chandler, do it for your show. I'm going faster.
I am doing it for my show.
I want to go like that. Ew, dirt just flew in my mouth. I'm so dizzy.
Here, I'll push her over to you. Here, hold this. I want to go.
I want to go.
I want to go. Or you can stop it and start a new video.